So the first step to changing your battery is to remove the bulkhead cover. It's made of like clips. Just pull and the clips come off. All the way down. So the second step is to remove the air intake duct. Just pop it up and then just turn this. So to take out the battery, the negative battery first and also the positive next, I'm going to use a wrench with a plastic handle just to prevent electrical shock, and make sure you have your hand gloves on. So I'm removing the battery cover. I'm using a very crude method to retain my memory. I connected a jumper to the positive and then connected the negative side to the body, the chassis of the vehicle, to get a negative. So this is the cover. The cover is out. We're going to clean the cover. We're going to take out this battery and we're going to put in a brand new replacement battery. We're going to clean all of this, and then the method to put it back is we'll put back the positive first and then the negative second. So the replacement battery is in, the cover is cleaned, so I'm going to put the cover back in and then the placeholder across, which I missed earlier. Then I'll put the positive first, then the negative second, just a reverse of what I did earlier when I was taking it out. So before I tighten everything finally, I'm gonna make sure my memory is in place and the battery is functional. So I'm gonna start the vehicle. Yep, so the battery started. Yep, my time is here, my music is still there, my AC setting, everything is here. So before I go ahead and say, tighten everything finally, I'm gonna make sure this is functional. So it's okay, I can go ahead. So we'll begin to assemble everything back in reverse. This goes in first. So the last step is to clip back this cover, and then you're good to go. Thank you.